like this. Got nice and barky. Y'all know what time of the year this is. Holiday season. What we gonna do? Get outside and smoke this day. Woo! Take that out. Gizzards. Ooh, they gave us some gravy. What's this one, baby? A Genio? This is Genio turkey.
Mm-hmm.
Take this off here. We can't cook the plastic. Yeah. Got neck in here. Yeah. Holding the turkey together. So definitely, y'all see that? Take that out. You don't want to be cooking no plastic in your turkey. Take this generic thing out. I already washed it. Take this big old thing off right there. Gone! I'm gonna go ahead and dry brine this baby. Just salt it overnight. And then I'm gonna add some savory seasoning that's unsalted. Dry it off. Also too, I don't know if I'm gonna cook it just whole like this, you know, wrap it up, wrap the legs up, or if I'm gonna spatchcock it. Get this baby dry. We want the skin to be more crispy. We don't want it to be all rubbery. Y'all can do all this same stuff in the oven, you know, if you don't want to get outside. Me, I'm crazy. I gotta get outside. And guess what? Shawan, the camera lady, my wife, she gotta come outside too and catch footage. Let's see if this will go up in this thing here. Ooh, perfect fit. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let this brine up with some Lawry's. And it needs some coverage. It's gonna be a flavor bomb. Yeah, get up inside that wing like that. Flavor. And inside, right? Tomorrow, we're gonna throw this old savory seasoning on there. We smoking, baby. Be different. Smoke your turkey. Shout out to y'all who be getting out there frying that turkey too. All right, see y'all tomorrow. Got this turkey out the refrigerator. Mixing up some savory spices. It's something really basic, kind of like almost like a Cajun style. And I got some sage up in here. Let that season go all over. We didn't add any salt because we brined it with Lawry's. Get this bird looking nice. Gonna have some flavor now. It's a nice fall day. Sun out. Bird brine nicely. This is a big boy. This baby 17 pounds. Took 3 days to thaw in the refrigerator, and then we brined it for 2 days. So we started, when was that? Thursday?
Yeah.
And today is Sunday. Fat side up, as they say. All right, outside we go. We're gonna have that smoker. We're gonna have it kind of hot. Probably have it around 275, 300. All right, go for about 4 hours. I don't know. We'll be checking the temperature. You know, when we get 160 internal, then we just pull it off. We got a nice fire, y'all. Hickory and apple. And a big bird. Mmm. Looks delicious. I'll check on you later. All right, y'all. Let's see where we at. Look like it's about time to come out. Where we at?
161.
Ooh, this baby is done. All right. I like this. Got nice and barky. What a little.
Ooh.
Man, that's the. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh.
Careful.
Excuse me, y'all. It's getting hot.
How juicy that turkey look.
Wow. The breast is super tender, man. Like it's a thigh or something. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and break them down. Look at that meat. We got a nice smoke ring and everything. Man. I ain't never made one like this before, man. I'm enjoying this. You know, everybody, when they come over and get some of this, they gonna love this. We just tell them, say, hey, we had to cut it a little bit so we can taste it for video. That's all. But man, y'all, this is good. Y'all do this on your smoker. Take it outside. Gas smoker, pellet smoker. What, about 3 hours, baby?
About 3, yeah.
About 3 hours. And we was going between 275 and 300. 275 and 300. About 3 hours, 3.5. Came out nice and juicy, as y'all saw when we was on there. And this hit 161 internal on the breast. Take it off. So it'll still be nice and juicy. I mean, it is incredible. Dry brine, wet brine, however you do it. Season it. Hey, that's it, baby. Hey, y'all stay blessed for these holidays. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Catch y'all on the next one. We just gonna keep on cooking, keep on cooking, keep on cooking. Peace.